Other companies after ours, they don't really answer. But with Direc, they would answer everything. So that's very good. One of the major challenges we're facing right now is the data transparency and inventory management. So we want to improve our inventory management to help us be more transparent with our daily transactions, to help ease the burden of our finance team. So the operations, the accounting, and the sales will be more interconnected with each other.
Experience every day, navigating your course with the expert solutions in this digital world. We see transformation.
When I view the portfolio of Direc, Oracle, NetSuite, I find the vision mission, the structural analysis of the portfolio is very good. It very suits our industry. Most of the Direc people are really nice. Customer services or after sales is really accommodating. Even I would call in the middle of the night. Other companies after ours, they don't really answer. But with Direc, they would answer everything. So that's very good.
At Direc, we make it easy.